series of tests, electrical, identifying parts. So far, those are the two that we've completed so far. As long as we can clear the board with with most of our team, we should be able to come at number one.
The event's going pretty well. For the basics people, you know, we're just all here to have fun. So far, everything's been going pretty good for the three of us here. We're all pretty practice fairly decent for this.
Working as a team and getting